How to enter promo codes in Roblox Mobile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Roblox application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Here, tap on the More option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the Help and Safety option you see there. Further, tap on the Help option again and now in the search bar, search for Redeem. Now tap on Done and then tap on the very first link you see there, that is, how to redeem and spend your gift card option. You will then see the link there, so go ahead and tap on the roblox.com/redeem link, or you can also simply tap hold on the link and copy the link and paste it in your browser. So open your preferred browser and then paste the link that you just copied, that is roblox.com/redeem. And now you will be required to enter your username or your email address or your phone number and then enter your password. Once logged in, you will be led to the interface from where you can add in the code. So go ahead and enter the code in the code text box you see there and then tap on the redeem button you see there. And with this, the code that you entered is correct, then the code will be redeemed successfully. So this is how you can enter promo codes in Roblox Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.